Hi, welcome to Surviving Motherhood. Okay, about a week and a half ago I got new tires on my van. Okay, normally doing stuff for the van doesn't get me very excited, but this time I knew God was blessing me. He gave me an upgrade on my tires at no charge, and it was just an amazing thing. And if you want all the details, you're going to have to read about it in my Facebook notes, okay? If you're not a Facebook friend of mine, friend me, and then you can read all about it. The point is, it just blessed my heart. And a couple of days later, I saw my brother and his wife, and I told them about it and how I was so happy and God had just blessed me this way. And Nancy said, gee, I wish he would have been at the brake shop with me yesterday. She had spent a whole bunch of money getting her brakes fixed, and we kind of just laughed about it and left it at that. But then, maybe half an hour later, she was telling me about this thing that had happened to her at Walmart. Not as big as the brake store, but some things were marked wrong, and she saved some money, and she says, oh, God was at Walmart. And we just started laughing with each other about that. And, that was just a fun little thing, but it got me thinking. How many times do we recognize God in the big things, but we don't see Him in the little things? How many times do we see God at the tire store, but we miss Him at Walmart? He is everywhere. I know He wasn't at the tire store, so He was too busy to be at the brake shop. I know that isn't true. But the point is, are we making ourselves available to see Him? Are we paying attention? Are we aware of God's goodness in the little things as much as in the big things? He's in the small stuff. He's just as good in the little miracles as He is in the big ones. And I think if we really pay attention, I think we're going to see an awful lot of Him. There's something to think about today. Look for God in the Walmart moments too. Have a wonderful, Jesus-full day.